Sit back, relax, and let me show you guys why this is the best pre-poo in the game. Hey guys, before we get started, if you would like to buy this Flaxseed Aloe Prepoo, it's going to be on my website, AstousNaturals. Get 10% off using code FlaxAloe10. Also shop our bundle and all our other products, all natural, organic. So this video is evidently featuring AstousNaturals Flaxseed Aloe Prepoo, which is a nutrition quench hair therapy. As you can see, the paste is very pasty. This is what I apply on my hair every time I take it out of a protective style and every time before I shampoo. I big chopped my hair 3 years ago, and as you can see, our products doesn't only help with hair growth and promoting it, but also retaining length, which is key. The way how you get ready for your wash day matters. Never, ever, ever go into a wash day, especially you just had a protective style, and you don't apply some kind of pre-poo, pre-mask, or anything while detangling your hair. That's where you will mess up. So you're going to see in this whole video, I don't use a comb not once. I'm going to show you guys the luxury of this hair product and also break down what's in this product, handcrafted and handmade by me. As you can see, the slip, easy detangle. I'm generous with this product. As you can see, I'm not only applying it towards the end and throughout my hair, but I'm also making sure I'm applying it to the roots, into that new growth. Huh? No comb needed. You see that slip? Look at this hydrate. Just only if you can feel how soft it is. This Flaxseed Aloe Prepoo, it's a powerful pre-poo treatment specifically designed for coarse, kinky, coily, and curly hair. This aloe and flaxseed infused blend melts all kinds of tangles, restores moisture, and also strengthens strands, and definitely promotes healthy hair growth all before you shampoo. Remember, there's many ways to promote hair growth. You also have to remember retaining length is a part of your hair growth journey. Don't go and lose all the hair you just grew trying to detangle and rake through your hair with the comb, especially on hair that's been in a protective style for a while, and some people whose hair just isn't the strongest. It's very important to pre-poo before you shampoo, especially on your natural hair, because shampoo's job is to cleanse. But in order to cleanse your hair, it has to lift dirt, oil, and build up from your hair. So you want to know what the real problem is? It can also strip away your hair's natural protective oils, especially if your hair is curly, coily, and prone to dryness, which natural hair is naturally dry. Pre-pooing creates a protective barrier before you shampoo. Just think of it like that. And here's why this matters. It reduces moisture loss. It also prevents breakage during detangling. Wet hair is at its weakest state. If you wait after you're done shampooing just to detangle your dry hair, you increase shedding and snapping. A slip-rich pre-poo, like this Flaxseed Aloe, pre-poo softens knots first. It also protects your natural oils. Your scalp produces sebum for a reason, which is its natural hair oil. Pre-pooing helps preserve some of that natural protection while still allowing your shampoo to cleanse effectively. Not only this, but it also improves shampoo performance. When your hair is pre-softened and hydrated, shampoo distributes more evenly, and you're not fighting through tangles mid-wash. And last, but definitely not least, it supports length retention. Less dryness plus less breakage. You know what that means. It equals better retention. Guys, if you know you have natural hair, pre-pooing isn't optional. It's foundational. Because shampoo literally cleanses, but cleansing without protection can lead to dryness, breakage, and moisture loss. This Flaxseed Aloe Prepoo creates a cushion before water ever hits your strands, reducing detangling stress and protecting your natural oils. Healthy hair doesn't start with shampoo. It starts with preparation. Next, I'm going to break down for you guys some of the main ingredients that is in this Prepoo that I handcrafted, handmade. I'm going to start with the organic flaxseed, which is rich in omega fatty acids that strengthens the hair shaft, reduce breakage, and define your texture, your curls, as you can see in this video, while creating that natural slip that makes detangling literally
effortless. Then next, there's also organic aloe vera that I use to formulate this amazing pre-poo. Organic aloe vera is known for deep hydration, scalp soothing, and balancing your hair's pH. It draws moisture into the strands and helps your hair retain it. Now, I know you probably see a whole bunch of videos. Oh, I've seen videos. People use flaxseed as a pre-poo or aloe vera as a pre-poo. But you want to know what sets this formula and this pre-poo apart? It also consists of marshmallow root extract, use organic slippery elm bark. These two combinations create an incredible slip. And this explains why I literally did not have to use a comb the whole entire video, as you can see. Keep it in mind, I had a protective style in for over a month. 6 weeks to be exact, which is a month and 2 weeks. These two ingredients, the marshmallow root extract, organic slippery elm bark, soften knots and allow you to detangle with minimal tension and minimal shedding. Of course, you guys can use a comb if needed, but as you see the luxury of this product, gently finger detangling, and the product does all the work. This is where hydration meets protection. To be specific, in the last 7 months, when I formulated this pre-poo 7 months ago, the number of times where I used a comb is less than the fingers on my hand, just in 7 months. Some other ingredients that's also added in this pre-poo: shea butter, mango butter, which is rich in vitamins A and E, helping to reinforce the hair barrier and to also prevent moisture loss during wash day. There's also avocado oil, which penetrates deeply into the strands to strengthen from within, while grapeseed oil is lightweighted and packed with antioxidants that support scalp health without weighing the hair down, which is also included. There's also lavender and rosemary, which stimulates the scalp, supports healthy growth, and turns your wash day into a true self-care routine. I just want to let you guys know this pre-poo doesn't just sit on your hair like an oil. It hydrates like a treatment. It slips like a detangler, and it protects like a sealant. So you literally have an oil treatment while having a hydration treatment, while also having a supreme detangler and a sealant. So when you shampoo, your hair isn't stripped, it's fortified. This is truly how you prep your hair with intention.
Jesus, please don't be mad. I know that it makes you sad when I simply don't obey. I tried my best, I'd like to say. Jesus, please hold on when I simply don't have a song, and my heart can't give you praise. It doesn't care to even sing your name. But I still,
Some people labor with a comb and a brush to get this type of detangling definition, but let me tell you a little secret. If you want to see the true quality of that product, see how well it does without a comb or brush. Have 4 type hair, so it don't get any coarse than that. Okay.
Jesus, are you even real? Sometimes I pray, but I still can't feel the peace that you claim you would give when we had a hard day. No, I really shouldn't ask, but do you record all my bads? Will they put me in hell? Or is that a myth that the preachers sell? I still believe that you're bigger than my unbelief. When I don't know what to say, somehow, you know, you love me
done. However, I do this thing at the end every time I put pre-poo, put my pre-poo in my hair. I take the twist out just to see how it looks. I like just the look. So yeah, I see it and I kind of compare it to last time I did my pre-poo treatment before putting my protective style in, just to see the length and, you know, just to keep tabs on it. I think it's good to do that. It's always good to, I always say and recommend this, it's good to take pictures, it's good to record videos. You don't have to be someone on social media to do that. You can literally just be someone who is just on your hair journey. Pictures really help, and pictures are definitely encouraging. Because when I big chop my hair, I didn't think I had any intentions of, I just wanted to take pictures and videos just to see my progress. But yeah, again, you don't have to be someone on social media. You could just take pictures and videos just to keep track on your hair growth, your hair health, see how you're doing. Yeah. I just love this look too. It looks so healthy. It's so soft. We'll put a little more. I'm generous with this because I'm not doing this every week, trust and believe that, because my hair has been in protective styles and it will be in protective styles all of winter. So I'm being extra generous, knowing that I had my mini twist in for 1 month and basically 6 weeks. A month and 2 weeks and 4 days to be technical. I really could have kept them in for 2 months, but I have some events and different things I'm going to, and I could have, and my hair was just growing out of those mini twists. But you guys see, it feels so soft. It's so hydrated. Yeah, also don't forget to get like the perimeters of your hair in the back, the nape. Sometimes when you're applying it the way how I just did, sometimes you don't get in there enough. You don't have to leave it in that long. You can honestly leave it in for 20-30 minutes. It's just, I want to leave mine in for some time so I can let that nutrition get in there. Then you'll just put a trash bag over, or a shower cap, whatever one you have. And yeah. Trash back on, and then afterwards I'll go ahead with my wash day. Like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and comment down below what you'd like to see next. Hopefully, if you're seeing this, I'll soon post my full wash day routine. I might do it now, just post it separate, but it depends how I'm feeling. So yeah, but I might do it just for you guys. See you guys soon. Bye.